Hello everyone, I'm Simit from Kai Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to use your Instagram close friends list. Instagram friends who are insatiable with innovations came to the future, offering many possibilities for those who want to personalize and customize their account with each passing day. Instagram has now announced the close friend feature that facilitates the sharing of private content. Have you ever wanted to share an Instagram stories post with your IRL friends or just a few of your followers? Well, now you can with Instagram close friends list. The close friends feature for Instagram stories will allow you to handpick a group of friends or followers to share private Instagram stories posts with. And only the people in your close friends list will see your story and it will be hidden from all your other followers. This means you can be a lot more selective about who can watch certain Instagram stories posts from your account. Let's take a closer look at the close friends list feature and what it could mean for you and your business. The new close friends feature allows you to create a group of followers that you can privately share Instagram stories posts with. According to Instagram, they created the feature because the way we are using Instagram is changing. With Instagram stories, you can express yourself and your brand by sharing everyday moments, but as the Instagram community grows, you might want the option of keeping some stories private for you and your closest friends. The close friends list allows you to choose who can see certain stories, and you can add and remove followers from the list at any time without them ever knowing. And just like regular Instagram stories post, your story will be available to view for only 24 hours for your close friends list. Once you posted an Instagram story to your close friends list, your profile image will appear with a green circle around it, both on your profile page and in your close friends feed. The green circle helps it stand out from the other pink circles that usually highlight an account has live Instagram stories post you haven't seen yet. And any follower not included in your Instagram stories close friends list won't see your post at all. Similarly, if someone has shared a private Instagram story with you as part of their close friends list, the post should stand out from the others in your Instagram stories feed thanks to the green circle. It will often appear at the very start of your feed too, so you won't miss it. The new close friends feature allows you to share more private moments than ever before, which could make Instagram stories a lot more conversational between you and IRL friends and followers. Are you ready to share an Instagram stories post with your closest followers? And let's see how to do it. At first, go to your profile page by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And just here. And then tap the three lines icon in the top right corner of your screen from there. And you can see close friends icon here. Tap close friends and then tap add next to the names of people who you want to add to your close friends list. You can also tap search to search for a friend. For example, I'll add my friends from here. And once you've finished adding people to your list, tap down or here, create list. And that's it. Remember, you can update your list and remove followers from the list at any time. Also, people won't be notified when you add or remove them from your list. I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.